campers! How are you? Oh, me! I'm fine, I'm okay. I just have some blood on my face because I just shot the first scene of the Birds Iggle project. Yeah! It will be fun. Do you remember last year we did the Blair Iggle project? This year we are going to remake the birds, you know, Hitchcock's The Birds, and we're gonna make it with our own way, and Eagles will play in it, and Eagles will film it. And so, how do you participate? You just go to the Google Doc where I listed all the scenes, see what scenes you want to do, and just go out and film them. You can have some unmade birds that can attack you. It's an option. Origami is an option. Just do what you want to do, have fun, and be creative. I can't wait to see what you're gonna do. See you at the end of camp. Dan? Dan? Are you here? Dan? Dan? Please, Dan, answer.